Many rabbit owners have no idea they're making some critical mistakes when taking care of their bunnies. My name is Dr. Rachel Sue. I work with exotic pets, and welcome to Basic Rabbit Husbandry in 3 minutes or less. With proper care, rabbits can live around 8 to 12 years on average. Some breeds are genetically healthier than others. Although the rabbits with the cute little short faces might look adorable, this can actually lead to issues later on in life, such as dental disease. Rabbits with ears that flop down instead of standing up are more prone to ear infections. Rabbits are social, so ideally they would be kept in pairs. You can keep 2 females together, or a female and a neutered male, but 2 males together might fight. Rabbits are curious creatures and should be given rabbit-approved toys. Ideally they would have their own room in a house or allowed to free roam if your room is rabbit-proofed. You might see your rabbit eat its own feces, and this is normal and can contribute to a healthy digestive system. Females have an extremely high rate of uterine cancer, so it's important to spay them when they're around 4 to 6 months of age. Neutering males can also make them calmer and decrease aggression. If you do keep them in a pen, make sure there's no wires that they can get their feet caught in. They need a solid, flat bottom, ideally with lots of cushion, because they can develop bumblefoot or pododermatitis. Some owners give both water bowls and water bottles attached to the side of the cage, but it's important to not let it get dirty. Now, rabbits can be litter box trained, which I'll make a video about later on. Now let's move on to their diet, which unfortunately many people are misinformed about. Rabbits' teeth are continuously growing, so they need to constantly be chewing to wear them down. This is why their diet should be at least 80% hay, typically Timothy hay for an adult rabbit. And they should be given unlimited hay at all times. You can include rabbit pellets, but this should be limited to no more than 1/4 cup per 5 pound of rabbit per day. Avoid mixes with nuts, corn, seeds, or fruit. Another 10% of their diet should be veggies such as basil, parsley, cilantro, and collard greens. Make sure to limit treats such as berries, carrots, and apples to no more than 5% of their diet. There are certain things to avoid such as spinach, iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, and corn. Too many treats or improper diet can cause digestive upset, which can be an emergency in rabbits. If you ever notice them not eating or pooping, they need to see a vet right away. It's important to keep in mind that rabbits are prey species, so they don't want to show any signs of illness. This is also why it's important to bring your rabbit to the vet at least once a year to get a regular checkup. During these checkups, vets will typically do a thorough exam of their mouth to assess for dental disease, as they can go a pretty long time without showing signs but still be extremely uncomfortable. It's also great to do regular blood work so you can catch diseases early on. One more thing to know is how to hold a rabbit. Rabbits typically don't like being picked up, but if you must, please support their back end. An unsupported rabbit can actually freak out and kick so hard that they fracture their own spine. Now I'm just about out of time, and I hope you like my video. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.